hama kona hamalami nilawe matani
Wiggle.
This is your ripple effect.
Yeah. Gravity defying. Yes.
Viewers, apologize. I'm continue.
What's up, guys? Your boy Casey. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with
Okay, Zano.
And today, I'm here with today Tina
Ozo Zem in the building.
Mr. Violence himself. Father Violence.
Oh, okay, Father Violence. Okay. So today we are reacting to Freeman featuring Sandra Ndebele. E-party. So Sandra Ndebele ngumzwe
Strong as a Sandra Ndebele international.
Ndio magaro chete but embo udara zvake.
Just what long ones out.
Udara kupikwa muzi.
Hala guys, don't serious.
Ndio song ya Sandra Ndebele ya muzi.
Bane mini chindebele so. I didn't get those here, but I did this right. I mean, and this is
Right.
Good luck to my fellow MSU students who are out there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, hands up, MSU.
Man, I hope you guys
hands up, MSU.
You guys can survive.
I'm waiting to load. I'm gonna kick if it. I'm gonna load.
Kick is MSU.
Hey, Jama.
Hey. Okay.
No one,
base. We need a competition in my aces. So let's get straight to it. Hey, please like, share, and subscribe to my base channel. The new channel, Okay Zano Vlogs.
Come in the description.
Yes, sir. So without further ado, let's get straight to it.
Rod V Beats.
Nifuna kuwenza party, nifuna kuchaifa now. Nifuna kujabula. We are
Freeman Arugimbe Ndebele.
Adzizwa kana Sandra Ndebele.
Guys, we can't call like 3 lines to Mbani Ndebele. It's just
but still, right.
Ndebele to the world. Mandex will change your life. Mandex will change your life. Ndex once watongobata chindex whether your language Mandex more one. Shout out to all my Ndex out there. You know what's up?
Rod V Beats.
Nifuna kuwenza party, nifuna kuchaifa now. Nifuna kujabula.
We woke up after something. Being at a pindam party. Wangu ita plan. Karawa ita plan.
Nifuna kuwenza party.
Kutamba ngoma kushika shanaka.
Usajabula nawe sana. Angeke nijabule yako jabuleki.
I knew this Spanish chatungwiti.
Yes, yeah. Boss in zombie. The thing is Sandra, akasa show item. Apana zinobudirira some point.
Ndokuti Sandra.
Sandra. Sandra.
Ndokuti Sandra.
Like Sandra.
Ndokuti Sandra.
Ndanyara na zo.
Ngeke ngona ngifonele usandi. Mawe na ngeke ngona ngifonele usandra.
Kana dafuna kufambitse phone mirandi phone slide. Ndichambitse phone mirandi bathe magali.
Uthando lwakho injabulo yami hlala ukwazi ukuthi ngowami ngase waphuma empilo.
Miles. Freeman should have sang in Shona and Sandra should have sang in Ndebele, because you know, like when you can tell Kuti this person is not Ndebele and you try sing or speak in Ndebele, it doesn't come out the way it's supposed to. You can tell Kuti exactly, that's what it sounds like. But okay.
ohamba khona hamba lami ngilawe mathando yami hlala ukwazi ukuthi ngwami ngase waphuma empilweni yami lapho ohamba khona hamba lami ngilawe mathando
Wiggle.
Those are ripple effect there.
Yeah.
Gravity defying. Yes. It's gravity defying.
sisonke kuze kuyefika ekugcineni benyika ngele emehlweni mina lawe masisonke kulavijeni angeke ngijabule yakujabuleki mawe nawungeko ngcono ngifonele usandi mawe nawungeko ngcono ngifonele usanda
Kanga ndafunga kufara asimbo ashinakize Ndichambitse phone mira ndifonele slai Ndichambitse phone mira ndibate magalis Kanopatanga kufarwa ona atakwa apushwa mubara Chiriza slai na sandra ona kufara forever wakanda Ndoda mudiwa patuze Sende kure ndochka kuti ndingakuluze iwe Galis
ngifuna kuwenza iphathi ngifuna ukujaiva nawe ngifuna ukujabula
I'm in wrong with
ngifuna ukujabula
We woke up after something Binga tapinda mpati Wangu ita plan Kara wa ita plan Ndichambitse phone mira ndifonele slai Ndichambitse phone mira ndibate magalis
I actually like the melody, man. Though.
It's catchy.
Yeah, melody.
It's catchy.
But I see what you're saying, but Life Freeman Aitashi.
Shona. It's got
But it's kind of creative though, but yeah.
It's like that Manine Enzo song. If Enzo had sang in Devil and Manine sang in Shona, it wouldn't come out.
Yeah,
Okay. I get you. I'll probably at all point. So. Zogumza jogbo, I guess.
Somebody we're gonna name
but some below there, but I don't you are
Man, is that not what people want? People want to see ass. Ass.
I don't know.
Taco.
I don't know. You guys tell us what you think of the song, guys. Tell us what you think of the song.
Do you guys enjoy seeing ass in music videos? What's your take?
but guys, this Andras no good something. This was on Sunday.
But man, don't put in the Ndebele, man. Sandra Ndebele, Anan Ndebele.
I think that's it for the video, guys. I hope you like it, share, subscribe, and comment down below.
Yes, sir.